Hello everyone, welcome to Active Foundation. So this is our second tutorial and we are learning website designing course, and today's agenda is what is HTML, and we are going to write our first code in HTML. So let's start. In our last tutorial, we have learned what is website designing, what is a website, what is web page, and whenever we want to save any document, what type of editor we required and what type of extension we required. And in this tutorial, we are going to learn about what is HTML, and the simple definition, or you can say the full form of HTML is hypertext markup language. So hyper is nothing but your link, text is nothing but your information. Markup, the simple markup definition you can say it is a pre-designed and predefined language. Language is nothing but it is used for communication. So whenever I'm saying like for markup, it is a pre-designed, predefined. So what the meaning of this pre-designed or predefined? It means already some code are already designed by the developers, and that code that we have to use. Okay, whenever you want to display something, whenever you want to add something, whenever you want to do some operations, so there are some you can say tags are there. So just you have to call the tags and you have to insert your information and you will get the output. Okay, so we'll see in a practical way in the upcoming videos. So it is started in the 1989 and the inventor is Tim Berners-Lee, and the latest version is HTML5. Okay, so now we are going to start our first code in HTML. So I will explain you in the upcoming videos like what is the thing, all the things. So just for practice, so please copy this program. So whenever you want to start the HTML code, so first of all, you have to write this HTML tag. Okay. So it should be open and it should be closed. Okay. So it is started with the HTML tag and end with this backslash. Okay. So after that, you have to write one head tag, and after that you have to close this. So whenever you are closing, you have to mention this backslash. After that, you have to open this body and you have to close this body. So make sure you are saving this, you are ending with this backslash. Okay. So under the header, tag will come and the name of the tag is called title. Okay. So it is nothing but description of your page. So here I'm using the sample, I'm just writing, I'm ending this title with the help of this backslash. Okay. And in this body, I am simply writing hello world. So whenever I want to save this, you can go to the file and you can click on the save, and you can save in anywhere. So I am creating a new folder in the desktop. So here I am creating YouTube. Under the YouTube, I am creating one more folder, HTML. So in this HTML, I am adding as a first, and make sure you are saving this file as a .html. Okay, if you are not saving as a .html, so it will become as a text. Why? Because text, because we are using a text editor, right? We are using the notepad. Okay, I will show you like how we can download this editor. Okay, so you have to go to the Google and you have to click Notepad++. So you can use any editor. So as a beginner, I'm suggesting you to go for the Notepad or Notepad++ anything. Okay. So click on the download Notepad and you can click the updated versions. Okay. So if your system is 32-bit, so download the 32-bit installer. Okay. If your uh, system is 64-bit, so download the 64. So whenever you click on this, you can see our file is downloading here. So after downloading this file, So in my system, it is already downloaded. So just you have to open, and you have to click on the yes, then okay, then next, then I agree, next, 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 that's finished, that's it. Okay, so it is already installed in my system, so I'm not going for the next. So please click on the next and finish the installations. So hope you have go through the concept, right? So if you have any question or doubt, you can ask in the comment, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like and share our videos. Thank you everyone.